Hi, I'm Marna. This is a Dolls Rescue channel. And every time I buy a Blythe doll from AliExpress, and if you watch my channel, you know that is quite often, I hold my breath. I say it's like playing the one-armed bandit in a casino, because you put your money in and you hope. And until they get here, oh. All right, so let's see if these came in well or not. Here's hands, and yes, they sent 4, and something just went pop, but I think it was her face shield. These dolls are for a reason, and the reason is I'm doing a collab that I'm going to ask some people to join in with me. Let's set this down. Where does it matter? I want to do an Easter collab, and yes, I know I'm talking about this early, but it takes time to set up these collabs and etc. And I need to find people that would be willing to join in the United States. I'm terribly sorry. I cannot send these other than the lower 48 of the United States. I just can't send these because it is so expensive.
The postage exceeds more
than the doll. Yeah. Well, let's see about eyes. Yep, this one's working well. What I want to do is an Easter collab. I have another one of these dolls. I think I have 2 more. Upstairs, I might have a stash of Blythe dolls. That might join in also. One is spoken for, but the others are not. Her hair is thinner than this girl. And what we're going to do is make them or buy them. You do not have to make the outfits. Yeah, that's good. You do not have to do a face-up. Actually, I think these are very pretty faces, to be honest with you. You don't have to do face-up. You don't have to make anything. What we're going to do is we are going to do 2 outfits. One will be a Easter bunny outfit, and the other will be a Playboy bunny outfit. Her hair's thinner too, like this one. I mean, it's not thin, do not misunderstand. It's actually it's thick. It's as thick as a lot of human beings on their whole head. But this one and prior have so much hair that it seems like less. All of the eyes are working. The Playboy bunny, as in the girls that worked in the Playboy mansion, and that could open a whole can of worms. Let me just say, this is all in good fun, and if you have a problem with it, just please don't participate. Those people, those girls were very proud to have those jobs. I will say that, and it was an honor to be chosen as a Playboy bunny. Thin hair again, like these 2. Isn't that funny? Or 3, rather. And here we go.
You're talking about Playboy Club?
Playboy Club, what did I say? Mansion?
Mansion.
Well, that's the same thing, isn't it?
No.
Oh, well, see, you would know more about it.
Yeah.
It was a sexual revelation and revolution, and those girls were very happy to have those jobs. They were not, I don't want to hear it. It was a different time. And if you would be interested, if you live in the lower 48, you are an active subscriber to my channel. And that means you watch my videos, you like my videos, and you leave a comment. There are at least 2 more dolls available for this collaboration. We will be doing it in March, probably early to mid-March. You can do a face-up, make your clothes, buy your clothes, not do a face-up. The doll will come with a stand and some other fun things. It'll be a Happy Meal. And it'll be a fun collab to join in on. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.